Hi everyone, my name is Jane Ganther and I'm one of the graduate assistants at the Career Services Center. Today I want to talk with you all about how to continue building your network virtually while we continue to stay safe at home. Stay tuned to learn more about how to find Marquette alumni who are currently working at companies you may be interested in, who you can then reach out to and connect with via LinkedIn. What you're seeing right now is my LinkedIn homepage, which is what you would also see right after logging in to LinkedIn. To find Marquette alumni working for a company that I'm interested in, I'll first search Marquette University in the search bar and make sure to click the account listed as a school. Next, I'll click on Alumni, which you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen. So here I can see that there are 89,624 alumni who have LinkedIn profiles, but I want to narrow that down to find who I'm really interested in connecting with. So you'll see this box titled Where They Work with various companies, and the number of alumni working at that company is listed next to the organization's name. If the company you're interested in isn't directly listed here, you can search for that organization by clicking Add and typing in their name. For example, let's say I'm interested in working at the Marquette University Career Services Center post-graduation. So I click on Marquette University Career Services Center, and I now see that there are 14 alumni and students who are currently working there. If I wanted to narrow down this search further, I could use this search bar to type in keywords, such as a job title or a department that I might be interested in. Now I can scroll through these 14 alumni and students to look at their profiles and see what their majors were on campus, internship experiences they might have had during their time at Marquette, and what led them to where they are now. Scrolling down the page, the job title Director stands out to me, so I decide that I want to look more in depth at Courtney's profile. I can scroll through Courtney's profile to learn more about her experiences and education. I can see she has held various other positions at the Career Services Center before becoming the director in July of 2019. Scrolling down further, I can see her education section, where I see she actually has 3 degrees from Marquette. I can scroll further to see different licenses and certifications she's had, as well as skills that she's been endorsed for. So I've decided that I want to learn more about Courtney's career path and possible opportunities she knows of within career services that I could pursue. So I'll click the connect button in hopes of connecting with Courtney. Here I have the option of including a message with my connection request, which is highly encouraged so the person you're connecting with will know why you sent a connection request. And this could also be a great opportunity to request an informational interview with that individual. Next, I'll click send invitation and I'll wait for Courtney to get back to me. I hope you enjoyed learning more about building your virtual network with Marquette alumni and the importance of staying connected while we stay safe at home. If you'd like feedback about how to make your LinkedIn profile the best it can be, please feel free to email our office and send a link to your profile to career.services@marquette.edu, and we will provide you feedback within 2 business days.